Okay, every vote counts?
Of course.
Feeling good? Yeah! I'm feeling good.
What's going to happen is that do you by any chance have you go back there? I mean, it sounds like it's
Hey.
Yeah, there you go. I'm for Nancy.
Steve, want to go ahead and thank you for your support and remind you that your polling place is at CN.
Come to our election night party tomorrow, and also we're going to be working hard from 7 o'clock, basically until 8 o'clock.
Party supports Jim because of Jim's record fighting for working class families in Elk Grove, his dedication to average youth.
Thank you for your support.
Everyone's coming tomorrow, including Lynn.
Hello, this is Captain Andy Shepard with Sacramento Area Local Firefighters 522. Please join the men and women of our local fire department in supporting Rich Lozano for Cosumnes CSD.